Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I will be discussing about some updates regarding the hiring of Capgemini, TCS as well as Wipro. So there are many updates that are coming up from the different companies. Like from Capgemini, the joining confirmation dates are out. Whoever students were waiting, so now they have got their onboarding details. Also regarding TCS has published their NQT for 2023 batches, and the exam link as well as the DRC test link is out. And regarding Wipro onboarding, what is the situation right now, and how long will you have to wait, and when will you get the PJP or orientation session link? So I will discuss every details in this single video today. So what you need to do is just watch the video till end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you are new to my channel, you can join the Telegram group. The link is in the description box. So without much further delay, I will begin today's video. So the first thing is Capgemini joining confirmation dates. So as you can see, this is the mail for the joining confirmation and documents verification email for the post of analyst, and this mail has been received from 22nd of September. So 22nd of September is the joining. So let's see what are the details mentioned in the mail is. We are glad to inform you that your joining has been confirmed on 22nd September 2022 at Mumbai. Your onboarding will be completed virtually. Okay, so now for now the onboarding will be virtual onboarding, and please confirm your interest in joining us by replying on the same mail trail. Okay, so you have to reply them yes or no. If you are not interested, so in this mail only you have to mail them back. Also request you to update details like current address, desktop, RAM, stable broadband and 8th semester mark sheet. Okay, and you will have to report in person for your training as per the schedule to the location mentioned in the offer letter. Please note that travel for training will be considered keeping in mind the lockdown protocol, and please do not make any travel plans without receiving the training. Okay, so first there will be training, and during training you have to relocate to the training location, but for now it will be online. But as situation get normalized, or if the company finds it suitable, then they can call you to the training location as per the training schedule. So documentation, you can see BTech mark sheet, okay, or degree certificate or provision certificate, IRF form attached, government ID proof, undertaking BJV form, new court record, databases. So active backlog will not be applicable. So you have to submit all the documents within the deadline, and this deadline has been extended for some student. I have got to know this is a past deadline. So training agreement you have to submit within 17th of August for future onboarding. These are the some document that you need to fill up. So these are 6 attachments sent by the team. So you need to follow all the instruction and fill it up as mentioned. Okay, so do all the things as soon as possible for 22nd September joining. Otherwise your joining will again get delayed, and again you need to wait for long time. So don't waste time in filling up the forms or the documents. Okay, so the next thing which I will discuss is regarding the TCS. TCS, I will say that TCS has launched their exam, the DRC test link. Okay, so these are the DRC test link, and in this DRC test link you can see the DRC date, time as well as the registration start time. Everything has been mentioned. Important note: exam registration will start 60 minutes prior to the exam start. Okay, so within if your exam timing is 9 a.m, so from 8 a.m the registration process will start, and don't make any delay. Sit in 8 a.m because you know already that TCS you need to launch some launcher apps in your laptop for the test, and those are very heavy launchers, so you may face any issues. So for that, sit 60 minutes prior to the test time, so that you don't face any problem to give the exam. Okay, and these are the system requirement check. You know that working webcam is mandatory, internet speed should be 5 Mbps, and you have to make a minimum 100 MB of free disk space to download a 45 MB file which is required to launch time. Okay, so this, and then there is, you have to take both the DRC test. Like there will be two sections, cognitive and programming. You have to take both the test, and this is the DRC test link which you have also received with the login ID and password. So you have to use those login ID and password. Okay, and some Windows zip file and Windows exe file are there, operating system name, some for to download the launcher. So if you are using Windows zip file, you can download it from here, or exe file as per your requirement. So we are confident that you will participate to make you ready for taking the exam. So these are DRC test is prior to the exam test, for you to be habituated for the exam, like how you're going to sit in the complete similar process, 3-hour test. So you will be totally habituated. Okay, so this was from TCS. Like if you have filled for remote, if you have filled not if you have not filled remote and you want to sit for the campus, then on campus, this sort of mail you may have received. Like I will show you the complete mail. Okay, so this is the mail, TCS campus hiring. This is the reporting time, test timing, and all the details, the exam venue, and TCS campus hiring, every detail is there. So you have to make a print out of this admit card copy, and then you have to take this to the location, like Iron Digital, in your preferred location, okay, which you have already filled. So this was for TCS. Now I will come up for the Wipro, as you know, it is delaying too much, and this is one of the mail that my subscriber has mailed to the Wipro manager regarding May month result. So May month result, as you all know, is not yet published. So for that he has mailed the manager, and this is some sort of reply he has got from manager, that is, this is regarding the query which you have posted on the survey. We appreciate your interest in joining Wipro. If you are waiting to hear back on your interview offer or results status, please note that we are finalizing our business demand. Thanks a lot for your patience, and let's stay connected. So this is completely system generated mail, as I say. So don't think that some manager is typing and different mail you will receive. If you like you mail several times and different mail, same mail you will receive again and again, because it is completely a system generated mail. For all the student, you will receive this kind of mail only. So I will tell you, no official notice, no officially they are not like mentioning the exact date when will be like the publication of May month result, or for the phase 1 few postponed candidates are waiting to get the onboarding, or for the phase 2 everybody is waiting for PJP. Okay, so I will tell you, we can hope that regarding PJP, this month, till this month end, we can receive the orientation session link for the PJP, and in the month of September it is hoped that Wipro will start the PJP process or the PJP training, because it is also a 1 month training, so you need time. After that, your onboarding will be scheduled for phase 2. Phase 1 postponed candidate, if you have completed all the things like PJP and all, then you will get the onboarding in this month end or in the month of September. But for the May month, I don't know what they are deciding or what they are planning, but May month result they are not publishing. Also, one more thing is so this is the orientation session link which you will receive. So this is for the WILP alumni. For the WILP candidates, they have received this orientation session link. But for Wipro Elite, you have not received for phase 2, but you will receive similar kind of mail for the orientation session of PJP. But you need to wait, and nothing can be said, because we cannot tell you the exact time. It is like waste to tell, because everything is in their hand, in the Wipro team. So unless and until they publish anything, we cannot tell you the exact date or time or anything. But we can say that keep your finger crossed, till this month end we can expect such kind of mail as well. Okay, also regarding the Wipro, many candidate, it is heard that they have submitted for PJP. Okay, they have submitted for BJV. Okay, and for after BJV they have not received green audit mail, but few days back they have received such kind of mail, that is, thank you for participating in Wipro fresher selection process. We verified all your documents submitted online, and we regret to inform you that you will not be able to take your candidature forward, as you are not meeting the eligibility criteria. So these were the documents, and he has submitted few documents, and it is seen that there was more than one backlog in UG. Also, you are not eligible and you do not meet the eligibility criteria as per Wipro. Okay, so many are getting this kind of rejection mail after BJV document verification. Those who have not received after like after submitting document, if you have not received any kind of mail, for them I'm telling you, if you know that you meet the all the eligibility criteria, then definitely you will get green audit. But if you think that no, 60% criteria or backlog, some details are missing, then you can't expect green audit. Okay, so this kind of mail can be for you as well. So these are the things. Also, one more thing that was coming up from you guys only, that is like for BJV you submit all the documents, so before onboarding again documents verification will be done. So I will tell you guys, no, for like after BJV verification, no more document verification will be done before onboarding again. Before onboarding some basic details will be verified, but not the documents again. Okay, so the BJV only is the process in which they verify all the documents of UG, 12th, 10th and all the important PAN card, Aadhaar card, ID proofs. Okay, so this was all about some hiring from Wipro, from TCS as well as from Capgemini. So if you guys find it really helpful, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any further queries regarding this hiring process or any other queries, you can drop out your comment in the comment section. I will reply to all your comments. Also, you can join the Telegram group and message me there also. So stay tuned to my channel. I will come up with such new updates every other day. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye.